everybody, welcome back again. Today I will be showing you a little bit about what I learned about Python today. And the list saga continue. I learned a bit more about how to manipulate lists, and more specifically about how I can use multiple lists so I can engrave my information in a more organized way, so it's much easier to see exactly what I want to have inside. So let me show you my code. It's basically an upgrade from the last code here. Sorry, not that one. This one. So it works pretty much the same way. Well, at least for the outside, for the people using the code, but it is very different because it stores the information very different. So let me show you exactly how it runs. It's the same thing. It's an inventory. So it will ask me here equipment. Let's go with the same thing. It's a tank with a value of 10 million, so 100,000. 10,000. Okay, 10 million here. A serial number of 1190. A department of course, military. Where else tanks come from? And now it asks me if I want to continue. Since I want to continue, I can press S. And one neat thing we did, and this is in the last code, there's the upper here, so I can just press normal S, and it will correct to the uppercase S. So I just go again, filling. Let's go with the same detail. So I have a tractor. I have a value of just 10,000, whatever it is, a serial number 999010, in a department of agriculture. What else? And now I don't want to fill in anything, so I just press enter. But here's the good part. It now shows me exactly where it comes from. So the first equipment I typed, the name is tank, the value, the serial, and the department, and it will type exactly the number. So if I press, I don't know, 100 things here, it would have 100. It would have 100 things here. Basically, you would have 100 equipments with each and every one of them having the information, so you can specify. So basically, the big difference here is basically this here is all the printing I need to go, and you can see the index here. The little part here which shows the exact number. It adds up every time it runs this, and I just basically storing in another. I'm just basically storing this in other types. Basically, there's not much different really. I just storing this in a lot of lists, but it's pretty much the same trick basically, but just run down in a different way. So I wanted to show you that. Remember, the link of the course is in the description, though it's in Portuguese. So if you understand, you want to train, perfect the Portuguese you have, you sure can look at that. So yeah, have a nice day. If you like this video first, please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot, and it might help you too, because it shows that the Python content is working and people want to see it. I definitely love doing it, and I definitely continue doing it, but you can show your support leaving a like and subscribing also to see more. So that's it, people. Have a nice day, and until tomorrow. Goodbye.